Hi, this is Yuhang Wang. In this self-reflection video, I will reflect on what I have learned and how I will apply this knowledge in my future career. At first, I was skeptical that professionalism and ethics in the workplace could be learned in one course, but now I know that it can be. For example, what struck me was week 8. When we discussed leadership, I learned that no leader is perfect, which reminded me to learn to build on my strengths and avoid my weaknesses. Before this course, I always thought that I had to be a leader in every aspect of my life and that I need to be proficient in business, production, sales, and transportation to be a good leader. After this course, I began to realize that this was a wrong idea. A good leader is not perfect in itself, but has different leadership styles for different situations. For example, contingency leadership requires a leader to adapt to the situation, and transformational leadership requires giving inspiration to others. So, just be an authentic and ethical leader. When I am a leader, I can change my leadership style appropriately and be an authentic leader so that I can practice my leadership skills and learn more. When I was an intern in a real estate company, my leader would be very strong when dealing with other companies, but he would be very frank when discussing issues with us, his subordinates. In this process, he kept learning new knowledge and gaining experience. So, he is very intimidating in our team, but sometimes he is also very kind. After reading this reading, I think being authentic does not mean that everyone can see through me. If it were me, I would make some changes in relation to my own situation, but also stick to authenticity. And in week 8, the SBI feedback model can also help me solve problems when I face a problem of balancing authority and friendliness. In my blog post, Frida pointed out that my biggest problem was my inability to analyze and cite ideas in a logical way in relation to the topic. After that, I had asked my tutor Frida, and Frida was very kind and patient in answering. In the process, I learned to draw a mind map and analyze step by step according to the problem. And this also helped me to discuss and analyze two topics in the case study and reach some progress. In my case study, Frida suggested that I should pay more attention to intake citation and that the format of the article should be followed. I have made up my mind to strictly abide by these rules in my future, and I believe it is useful. To wrap up, I have really learned a lot of useful content from MGMT 5050. I would like to take this opportunity to express my respect and gratitude to Lynn and Frida for helping me grow so much. Thank you.